In the market for a new bank? How about one that makes budgeting and saving so much easier and also has a great interest rate to go along with it all? Let's look at Ally Bank. Rated as YouGov.com's 9th most famous bank in the US and also garnering a 5.0 overall institution rating from NerdWallet. So let's take a look at the interest rates for both the checking and savings account, some of the features that they have on these accounts, fees, and also highlight some of the other services that Ally has to offer. Let's take a look at their checking account, or as they call it, their spending account. Now, they are FDIC insured for up to $250,000 per depositor. So if you're on a single account, that would be $250,000. If it's a joint account with a spouse, then it would be up to $500,000. With the spending account, they do offer a debit card. It's on the Allpoint ATM network, which has over 43,000 no-fee ATMs. However, if you did need to use an ATM outside of the network, Ally will still reimburse you up to $10 in fees per statement period. Ally does advertise a 0.25% APY on their spending account. However, this is for balances over $15,000. If your balance is under $15,000, it's a 0.10% APY, which is bigger than most banks. However, it's less than what you would get with a competitor like SoFi, which has a 0.50% APY, as long as you have a direct deposit with the account. Now, you can do transfers into the account or mobile deposits with the account. However, since it's an online bank only, you can't do cash deposits. Now, they do have an interesting tool called Spending Buckets that allows you to organize your payments into different categories. You can designate these categories like maybe shopping for groceries or clothing, and then as you spend money towards those expenses, you can categorize them to see how much you have left in your balance and how much you spent towards it. So this is great if you're wanting to learn to budget, you don't want to break out a spreadsheet all the time, and you want this within your banking app. You can set up spending buckets in order to do that. Now, one thing that Ally advertises is that they don't have a lot of different fees. They don't have any monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and also no low daily balance fees. Ally does offer 2 overdraft services. One of them is their overdraft transfer service that will transfer money from your savings account into your checking account in the event of an overdraft. They also offer a service called Overdraft that will cover the overdraft for up to $250. You can use each of these separately, or you can combine both of the services to where there's a double line of defense for overdrafts. Another feature that they have on their spending accounts is what they call roundups. As you spend money, they'll round up your purchases, and then once it's collected to a certain point, they'll deposit that money into your connected savings account so that you can get the higher interest rate from your savings account. Now, speaking of their savings account, let's move on to that now. Their savings account is also FDIC insured for up to $250,000 for a single and $500,000 for a joint account. Again, there are no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements for this account. Now, the current APY for this account is 4.35%, which falls a little bit short of SoFi's offering of 4.6%. However, they do offer some pretty nice features in their savings account as well. They have what's called savings buckets, which allow you to designate different categories. Perhaps you're saving for a down payment for a house or for a vacation. You can designate those different categories, and then as money comes into your savings account, you can put money in for saving. It lets you track your savings to see where you are in relation to your goals and when you've actually reached your goals. Another feature they have with their savings account is what they call boosters, which is just another way to bring money into the account. One of them is recurring transactions that you can set up to where it'll put a certain amount into your account on a schedule. Another is the roundups that we mentioned, where it will round up your purchases and bring that money into your savings account. Then they have another one that analyzes your checking account for safe to save money that it will transfer into your savings account so that you can also earn that higher interest rate. Ally Bank has more than just checking and savings accounts. They also have investing. You can do a self-directed trading account. You can also do a robo-portfolio, which allows your portfolio to be managed automatically for you, and they make adjustments based on your risk tolerance preferences. They also offer mortgages and refinancing for your home. Another partnership that they have is with Ladder for life insurance, and this is term-only life insurance, which I think is a really good option for people looking to get insured. So there you have it, guys. That's the review for Ally Bank. I hope that this was good information for you. If it was, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want more information on what saving for a goal can do for you, click this video right here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.